Do you want to accomplish more in a short amount of time? What if you can organize better and work smarter so that you can enjoy more free time? So here's the big question. How do you get this done quickly and easily? Well, in 2 words, Office 365. It's the best office management software ever developed. It's the gold standard for organizing and managing your information in any business. But that's not all. It's super easy to use and it's very flexible. Office 365 is a cloud-based software, and Microsoft developed it to integrate and work with SkyDrive, their cloud data storage platform. Be it at the office or in the education sector, collaboration is an important factor for innovation and productivity. Office 365 has everything you need to make it happen. So that is why I created a step-by-step video series on how to use this powerful software to grow your business to the next level. If this interests you, scroll down this page below to discover more about it and learn how I can help you get started fast.